We'll guide you through how to create a TikTok account. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get into this. You can follow this guide on both iOS and Android. The first thing we need to do is go and get the TikTok app if you don't already have it. So go and open up your App Store or the Play Store, click on search, and then just go and type in TikTok like this. Then what you need to do is find the app, and where mine says updates, you're going to have a get button or maybe an install button. So go and make sure you've got it. Then once you've got TikTok, you want to go and open it up, which I've already got here. And then what we can do is go and sign up. So here we've got a few different options. We can go and use our phone or email, and you can also go and use other social medias or other services to go and log in as well. In this case, I'm going to go and make my own account using a phone or email. So I'll click there. So what you'll now need to do is go and enter your birthday. So I'm going to go and enter mine now, make sure it is correct. After you've entered it, then press next. And the next thing you'll need to do is either enter your phone number or email. So you can go and use whichever you like. In my case here, I'm going to go and use an email. After you've entered your email, you can then go and tap on next. Next, you'll need to go and create a password for your account. Your password for TikTok will need to match all of TikTok's requirements, so make sure it does, because otherwise you can't go and continue with the process. So once you've entered your password, then what you'll need to do is add your nickname. Your nickname is just your name which should appear on TikTok. Your nickname does not need to be unique, so just go and enter the name you'd like to appear. You can always change it at a later date. I'll just go and have Rob, and then I'll press confirm, and just like that, our account has now been created. The next thing you can go and do is go and set up your TikTok username. So to go and do that, on the profile page, just go and tap on edit profile. We can then go and see our name, which is also known as nickname, and then we've got username. So click here, and your username needs to be unique. And as you can see here, it says it can only contain letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. So let's go and type in a name. So for example, Rob is going to be taken, as you can see. And TikTok will also give you suggestions at the bottom. So enter a username you'd like and then see if it's available. And if it is, you can then go and tap on save in the top right. Once you're happy with your username, you can then go and finish off creating your profile. You can add your pronouns, your bio, your social medias. And then you can start creating content by pressing the plus button in the bottom, or you could start scrolling the view page in the bottom left on home, and you can start following people or creating your own content. If you found this guide useful, please leave a like.